Nisha was 17 when she began working as a maid in the luxurious Malhotra mansion. Her mother had fallen ill, and with her father long gone, Nisha became the sole breadwinner. She scrubbed floors, washed dishes, and endured cruel words just to keep her family alive. The Malhotras were old money, powerful, proud, and pitiless. Especially Mrs. Malhotra, who treated Nisha like dirt. "Don't touch the silverware, girl. Your kind brings bad luck," she'd sneer. Rishi, the son of the house, wasn't much better. At 22, he was arrogant, entitled, and always looking for someone to mock. Still dreaming about school, Nisha. He'd laugh one afternoon as he caught her reading a borrowed textbook during break. "Why waste time? You're just a maid. That's all you'll ever be." Nisha said nothing. But she never forgot. While working long hours, Nisha studied at night, took online classes on borrowed devices, and watched free business lectures on YouTube. She saved every rupee she could. After 5 years of relentless struggle, she got a scholarship to a business school in Mumbai. She left the mansion quietly, with a final look at the grand gates that once made her feel small. 10 years later, Rishi's life had taken a sharp downturn. His father passed away, and his poor financial decisions, paired with an expensive lifestyle, left the family mansion heavily mortgaged. His mother still lived in denial, organizing parties they couldn't afford. On a cloudy Tuesday morning, a luxury black car rolled into their driveway. A woman stepped out, elegant in a black suit, heels clicking on marble. It was Nisha. The security guard almost didn't recognize her. She walked through the gates confidently, accompanied by a legal team and a property manager. Mrs. Malhotra came rushing out, still draped in silk, but clearly aged and flustered. "Who are you? What is this nonsense?" "I'm Nisha Mehra, the new owner of this property," she said calmly, placing the documents on the marble table in their living room. "You, what? This is a joke," Rishi barked, appearing behind his mother. "No joke. The mansion was put on auction 2 weeks ago. I bought it. Paid in full." Their faces turned pale. "You can't do this. We've lived here for generations." Mrs. Malhotra cried. "And I was once a maid in this house. A maid you refused to treat as a human being." Rishi's fists clenched. "You think money makes you better than us?" "No," Nisha replied, "but it gave me the power to take back my dignity." They begged her to let them stay, even offering to rent a portion of the house. Nisha declined. "I have plans for this place. It'll become a shelter for girls like I once was, humble beginnings, big dreams." Security escorted them out that same evening. Months later, the mansion's iron gates were painted white, the gardens full of life, and a new nameplate shone at the entrance. Mehra Empowerment Home. Inside, girls from struggling backgrounds studied, learned skills, and built futures under Nisha's guidance. One evening, Nisha stood at the balcony, sipping tea as the sun dipped below the horizon. The same balcony where Rishi once laughed at her. She smiled, not out of revenge, but peace. Because true revenge isn't in destroying someone. It's in rising so high they can never reach you again. Moral: never underestimate the one you belittle today. They may come back, not to hurt you, but to show you how little you ever mattered to their journey.